x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. So that is how to find the equation of the plane. We'll take one problem. P 3, 2, 6 and Q be a point on line R bar equals to I minus j plus 2k plus mu into minus 3i plus j plus 5k. Okay, this is previous I8 question. So this is one line given. The value of mu for which the vector PQ bar is parallel to plane x minus 4y plus 3z equal to 1. Look at here. So P's point is there, and one plane. So look at P's one point is there. Where is that point? It lies on the plane. You can easily check. 3, 2, 6. If you substitute 3 minus 8 plus 18, it is not 1. Therefore, it does not lie on the plane. That means P will be a point somewhere outside the plane, outside your paper, right? So P is this point and Q is a point on the line given. Somewhere line is there. Somewhere line. Take arbitrarily one line, right? So this is in vector form is given, right? Q is a point means in vector form, any point on the line will be R bar. Just like x, y, z, and in Cartesian form, any point on the line will be R bar. Now position vector is given. That means this is OQ bar. R bar is nothing but position vector of Q. That means OQ bar equals to, you arrange this 1 minus 3 mu into I plus mu minus 1 into J plus 5 mu plus 2 into K. So this is position vector of Q. Therefore, Q point is nothing but, Q point is what? Coordinates you write 1 minus 3Q comma mu minus 1 comma 5 mu plus 2. That means Q point, Q point is this and P point is given 3, 2, 6. He is telling that this PQ bar, whatever it is there, that is parallel to the plane. Parallel to the plane means what? Drop the normal, drop the normal. The PQ bar vector, whatever it is there, PQ bar vector, whatever it is there, that direction will be perpendicular to this. Perpendicular to this. That means PQ perpendicular to normal. If the vector is parallel to the plane, it will be perpendicular to the normal. So you know PQDRs. Perpendicularity condition you will use. PQDRs are what? PQDRs. Q is this, P is this. So therefore 1 minus 3 mu minus 3. Minus 3 mu minus 2. Mu minus 1 minus 2. Mu minus 3. 5 mu plus 2 minus 6. 5 mu minus 4. So these are the DRs of PQ. DRs of normal. DRs of normal means plane. Plane is their equation 1 minus 4, 3. 1 minus 4, 3. Apply the perpendicularity condition. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. Into 3 equal to 0. So you can get the value of minus 3 mu. So minus 4 mu, minus 7 mu. So minus 15 mu, minus 22 mu, minus 3 mu, minus 7 mu plus 15 mu, 8 mu. This, so therefore minus 2 here, minus 2 plus 12, 10. So 10 minus 12 minus 2. That means mu is nothing but 1 by 4. Mu is nothing but 1 by 4. Like that. Just vector form given. In vector form, any point on it means R bar. That means position vector of that point is R bar. So that means this is nothing but OQ bar is what, like this. So if OQ bar is known point, you can easily write. Instead of IJK, we will write the point. That means this point is given and he is telling PQ bar parallel to plane. That means to the normal, this PQ bar will be perpendicular. This is your pen. To your pen, PQ bar will be perpendicular. That is given. So if any line is parallel to the plane, it will be perpendicular to normal. That is the concept. Look at next. Intersection point of a line and a plane. Intersection point of a line and a plane. If line is there, if L is not perpendicular to norm, if L is not parallel to plane, if L is not parallel to plane, L intersects plane. That means suppose plane is like this. Plane is like this. A line L. Let us say a line L I am drawing. A line L I am drawing. Let us say it will intersect set P. And then the line will go like this. Just like normal, one line is there which is inclined like this, right? This holder is there, this line is there, infinite line. This line is just like normal, it is like an inclination, right? It intersects at P and go that side. That means this line will be some part toward your face and it intersects the plane and then go that side of the board. So this is called the intersection point of the line and the plane, right? If the line is parallel to normal, suppose normal is like this plane, right? If the line is parallel to the plane, then it will not intersect. It will be like this, right? It will be like this. If it is parallel to the plane, means line will be like this. It will not intersect. In all other cases, the line will intersect. If it is not parallel to the plane, line will intersect the plane. This is called intersection point of the line and the plane. Look at how to find the intersection point of line and the plane. It is very easy to calculate line and plane intersection point. Find point of intersection of line x minus 1 by 1 equals to y by 2 equals to z plus 1 by minus 1 and plane. And one plane is given x plus y plus z equal to 4. Look, it is very easy to calculate point of intersection of line and the plane. Look at like this diagram is this line and plane. So this is L given. Let point of intersection be P. Let the line intersects at P. Therefore, P lies where? It lies on L as well as plane. What we will do is we will take the point on this line. Take R. So let us say P is it lies on the line. Now, what is the point on the line? X, Y, Z you calculate. That means first we will take the point on the line. On the line, point will always be like this. 2R comma minus R minus 1. Minus R minus 1. I have taken the point on the line. Right? This point you have to calculate. So P lies, as it is the intersection point, P lies on plane. It lies on plane also. That means in this equation, x plus y plus z equal to 4. Substitute this P and then calculate R. So therefore R plus 1 plus 2R minus R minus 1 equal to 4. That means 2R equal to 4. R is nothing but 2. Therefore, P point is what? P point is nothing but R plus 1. 3 comma 4 comma minus 3. Look at this point. This point, if you substitute here, 3 plus 4 minus 3 satisfied 4. If you substitute here, so 3 minus 1 divided by 1, 2 this, 4 by 2, 2 this. So minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 1, 2 equal to 2 equal to 2. That means this point lies on the line as well as plane. For calculating point of intersection of line and plane, first you take point on This point P lies on L as well as plane. Take point on the line in parametric form. It lies on the plane. So substitute that and calculate R and get the point. Plane and line is very easy. You can substitute on the plane. Okay. Now, whenever the line and plane intersects. Next one. Find foot of perpendicular, comma, perpendicular distance of the point -1, 1, 2 to the plane to the plane 2x minus 2y plus z plus 3 equal to 0. Now repeat. Foot of perpendicular. We have discussed yesterday. Foot of perpendicular means, look at, plane is there, right? So this is a point. This is a point which will not lie on the plane. Look at, substitute this. -2 plus 2 plus 3. It will not be 0. That means it will be somewhere outside point. It will be somewhere outside point. Foot of perpendicular means this point will be like this tip of your pen. Above your paper, you keep your pen. From that, drop a perpendicular. I am dropping a perpendicular to the plane. Perpendicular. That means this line will be at 90 degree. So let us say foot of perpendicular is P. Let us say foot of perpendicular is P. Perpendicular distance is nothing but you have dropped a perpendicular. This AP distance is nothing but perpendicular distance, and P is nothing but foot of perpendicular. So that you have to calculate. Now AP perpendicular to plane. Any line perpendicular to plane is what? AP is normal. AP is normal. AP is normal. So what is drs of normal? Drs of normal means given here 2 comma minus 2 comma 1. Drs of normal means 2 minus 2 1. To this line normals are this. You can write line AP equation. Line AP equation is what? It is passing through this point and drs this. So that means x plus 1 divided by 2 equal to y minus 1 divided by 2 equal to z minus 2 divided by 1. So this line equation I have written. So P I can find out, it is nothing but this line intersection point with the plane. So that means P is the intersection point. Take R this. What is P then? P is nothing but 2R minus 1 comma minus 2R plus 1 comma R plus 2 comma R plus 2. This P point, it lies on the plane. So P lies where? On the plane, intersection point. P lies on plane. Therefore, 2 into 2R minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2R plus 1 plus r plus 2 plus 3 equal to 0. That means you will get 4r plus 4r plus r, 9r. So 9r. So minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 plus 5 plus 1 equal to 0. So r is nothing but minus 1 by 9. R is nothing but minus 1 by 9. Therefore, if you substitute here, you will get P point. Okay. Therefore, P point you calculate. Here, if you substitute minus 1 by 9, you will get minus 11 by 9. Minus 1 by 9 means 11 by 9. R plus 2. R plus 2 means minus 1 by 9 plus 2. That means you will get 17 by 9. This is nothing but foot of perpendicular. This is what? Foot of perpendicular drawn from A upon the plane. Foot of perpendicular. Now perpendicular distance from A to plane is nothing but AP distance. AP distance you calculate, you will get AP distance. Distance between this point and this point is, so minus 11 by 9 plus 1. Minus 11 by 9 plus 1. That means 4 divided by 81. Right? 11 by 9 minus 1. That means 4 divided by 81. So 17 by 9 minus 2. So that means minus 1 by 9 whole square. That means 1 divided by 81. So it comes out to be 9 root of 9 by 81. 1 by 9 and 1 by 3. Perpendicular distance is nothing but this distance is there. Perpendicular distance is nothing but 1 by 3. 1 by 3. This is general method of finding the perpendicular distance and foot of perpendicular. So there is formula. I will tell the formula. Look at, there is formula to find the perpendicular distance, just similar to straight lines. Similar to straight lines, formula will be there here. The perpendicular distance of point x1 y1 z1 of point x1 y1 z1 to plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. That means from P point to the plane, this PQ distance is nothing but P point. If you know, perpendicular distance is modulus ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by root of a square plus b square. Just in straight lines, this z coordinate will not be there. In straight lines, z coordinate will not be there. Right? Look at this distance is measured perpendicular to the plane. This distance, how it is? This distance is perpendicular to the plane. PQ distance is perpendicular to the plane. This because this PQ line is what? Perpendicular to plane. So this distance is measured in the direction perpendicular to the plane along the normal. This is the one. Now foot of perpendicular, let us say foot of perpendicular, let us say this This is alpha, beta, gamma. If this point is known, for foot of perpendicular formula is, if alpha, beta, gamma is foot of perpendicular of x1, y1, z1 with respect to this plane, then formula is just in straight lines formula is there, similar to that will be there. Alpha minus x1 by a equals to beta minus y1 by b. AB are these. Gamma minus z1 divided by c equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by a square plus b square plus c square. So x1, y1, z1 you know, a, b, c you know in the plane. So you can get alpha, beta, gamma. That is foot of perpendicular. That is foot of perpendicular. Look at image. Image of px1, y1, z1 with respect to plane. With respect to plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is, let us say image is alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma. Then for the image formula is, then the same formula will be there. In straight lines, whatever it is there, similarly it will be there. Equal to gamma minus z1 divided by c equals to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus cz plus d, cz1 plus d divided by a square plus b square. Just minus 2 will be there in the formula. In straight lines also similar formula is there. What is image means? Look at yesterday we have discussed about image. Suppose a plane is there, suppose a point is there, px1, y1, z1. Right? This lies on one side. Towards to the side of your face it will be. Right? To your, this is your paper, to your side p will be, on the opposite side image will be. That means from p drop a perpendicular and then extend this to the same distance. So let us say this is q, this is image alpha, beta, gamma. I have dropped a perpendicular, let us say this is r, let us say that is r. This is foot of perpendicular. Then extend to the opposite side same distance. Then q is called image. That means a reflection of this point with respect to your paper. That will be on the opposite side of your paper. For calculating this image point, this is the formula. Image point. For calculating image point, x1, y1, z1 will be given to you. Plane will be given to you. So ABC you will be knowing, x1, y1, z1 you will be knowing. Use this formula. Find distance of 1, 2, 3 to plane. Suppose perpendicular distance. That means plane is what? 2x plus 3y plus 3z minus 4 equal to 0. So what is the formula? Modulus of, just you substitute this point in this, modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d. That means you substitute this point 2 into 1 2 plus 2, just as in straight lines. So 2 plus 2 plus 9 minus 4 divided by root of 2 square 4 plus 1 plus 9. So that means you will get 9 divided by root of 14. This is the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance. He will give distance. Distance means by default you have to write perpendicular distance. Write one problem. I will dictate. Write up. Let L1 x plus 1 by 3 equals to y plus 2 by 1 equals to, write this problem. This is also given in IIT. Z plus 1 by 2 L2 x minus 2 by 1 equals to y plus 2 by 2 equals to z minus 3 divided by 3. These two lines are given, right? Write the problem, I will dictate. Note these two lines. Find the distance of the point. Find the distance of the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 comma 1 from the plane passing through the point, from the plane passing through the point minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. From the plane passing through the point minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 and whose normal is perpendicular to both the lines L1 and L2. L1 and L2. Look at the problem. A plane is there. A plane is there like this. So it is passing through a point. This, after finding the equation, we will find perpendicular distance. First, we have to find the equation of the plane, right? What he is telling, there, for finding equation of the plane, you want normal. Let us say normal line is this. He is telling normal is perpendicular to these two lines. That means let us say L1 is this. To this it is perpendicular. So let us say L2 is this. To this it is perpendicular. So what you want now? Normal DRs. That means your pen normal means your pen DRs. So along L1, let us say direction vector is A bar, along L2 direction vector is B bar. That means N is perpendicular to A bar comma B bar. What is A bar? Direction vector of this 3i plus j plus 2k. What is B bar? Direction vector of this I plus 2j plus 3k. Direction vector of this. Now, drs of normal is given by what? A bar cross B bar. That means write the cross product ijk 3 1 2 1 2 3. That means I into 3 minus 4 minus 1. So minus j into 9 minus 2 7 plus k into 6 minus 1 5. That means minus I minus 7j plus 5k. So this is the one. So therefore, drs of normal A, B, C are nothing but minus 1, minus 7, 5. And is passing through this point. Plane is passing through this point. So this is x1, y1, z1. Write the equation of the plane. What is the equation of the plane? A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1, this plus c into z minus z1, this. So therefore equation of the plane you will get minus x minus 7y plus 5z plus 5z constants, minus 1 here, minus 14. So minus 15 plus 5 minus 10 equal to 0. This. So therefore equation of the plane is nothing but take minus common. This. So therefore what he is asking, now perpendicular distance of the plane from this point, that means perpendicular distance is nothing but this perpendicular distance. PD means perpendicular distance. So modulus of, substitute this point in this, modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d. 1 plus 7 minus 5 plus 10 divided by root of 1 plus 49 plus 25. This. So therefore what you will get? 17 minus 4, 13 divided by root of 75 means 25 into 3, 5 root 3. This is the answer. Just after finding the equation of the plane, you find perpendicular distance. This point has only significant with distance. First you have to find the equation of the plane and then perpendicular distance. Okay. That is how to use the perpendicular distance formula. Look at next. find the distance of the point, find the distance of the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 from the plane 3x plus y minus z plus 2 equal to 0. 2 equal to 0 measured parallel to the line, parallel to the line x minus 1 by 2 equals to y plus 1 by minus 2 equals to z by 1. Look at here. What is the meaning is? Suppose distance of the point to the plane asked, then perpendicular distance we will write. Suppose from here to here not given. That means perpendicular distance. In that case, what is the distance? This point is there, let us say A. His meaning is that perpendicular distance. That means drop a perpendicular and then this AP distance, if nothing is given. Now he is not telling that. Distance of this point A measured parallel to the line. Now look at this perpendicular distance, how it is measured? Perpendicular to the plane. This distance is measured in the direction perpendicular to the plane. That means along the normal. Now he is not asking this distance. He is asking the distance. Look at plane is there. Observe carefully. Very important mode. Definitely you will get. Look at. So there is a point. Now what he is asking is there is a point like this. There is a point like this. 1 minus 1 1. And there is some line. Let us say this is L. There is some line L like this. There is some line L like this. Right? Now what he is asking is distance of this point to the plane measured parallel to this line. Measured parallel to this line means parallel to this line, you draw a line passing through A. Let us say that line intersects at P. Like this. Look at here. Through A we have drawn a line here also. That is perpendicular to the plane. But what he is asking is find the distance of the point A to the plane. That means here also AP only, here also AP only. But this is not perpendicular to the plane. This is parallel to a line. This is parallel to a line. This is parallel to a line. That means this has dr's what? 2 minus 2 1. 2 minus 2 1. That means this line is parallel to this means this line will also have the same direction. This direction, whatever it is there, parallel line means same direction will be there. So drs are what for this line also? Take the same drs. Take the same drs because this parallel means this direction vector is what? Same. Now write this line. Line passing through A. Line passing through A. That means point is this, drs are 2 minus 2 1, x minus 1 by 2 equals to y plus 1 by minus 2 equals to z minus 1 divided by 1. I have written this line. Now what you have to point? What you have to find the point P. That means where this line, this is L, let us say this is L1. Where this line intersects the plane, you have to find out. So on this line, P is there. You take P point as some R here. So therefore, P point is what? P point 2R plus 1, comma, minus 2R minus 1, comma, R plus 1. Look at here. P point calculated and then we have found distance. Here also P point must be calculated. So this lies where? This lies on the plane. Substitute 3 into 2R plus 1. So minus 2R minus 1. So minus of R plus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. We will calculate first P point. What you will get here? So 6R minus 2R minus R. That implies 3R. So 3R. So what you will get here? 3 minus 2 plus 2 cancel. So you will get 3 equal to 0. That means what you will get? R equal to minus 1. So R equal to minus 1 means, R equal to minus 1 means, let us find the point. So let us find the point P. Therefore P is nothing but if we substitute minus 1 here. So minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. You substitute minus 1 here. 1, 0. Therefore what you want distance? AP distance is nothing but distance between this point and this point. Therefore root of minus 1 whole square 4 plus, so 1 plus 1 whole square 4 plus 0 minus 1 whole square 1, that is nothing but 3. This is your required distance. If nothing is told about perpendicular distance, if he tells that measured along a direction parallel to the line, this is the line passing through A, you draw a line parallel to that line, right? Let us say it intersects at P. This AP distance he wants. Here distance means AP only, but perpendicular direction. So this is how to calculate in direct method. I will tell a formula for this. Very important. Definitely you will get 2 questions. You can easily use the formula. Look at. Look at the formula. The distance of the point, x1, y1, z1, to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, measured parallel to the line, whose DCs are, we want DCs for using this formula, whose DCs are LMN. LMN is formula, write the formula, modulus of AX1 plus BY1 plus CZ1 plus D. Just this value you will get if you substitute this point in this line, right? This value. numerator value divided by denominator is what you have to write is formula modulus A into L plus B into M plus C into N. A, B, C will be in the plane, right? So L, M, N are what? DCs of the line, not DRs. Right? A, B, C are related to plane and L, M, N are related to line. Look at how to use the formula. Find distance of point. Find distance of point 1, comma 0, comma 2. 1, comma 0, comma 2 from the plane measured parallel to line x by 3 equals to y by 4 equal to z by 0. Look, from the plane equation you write down. Plane equation is x plus 2y plus z equal to 4. Look at distance of the point. Look at meaning is here same model. There is a line L, and there is a point A. This is A. Distance of the plane measured parallel to this line, parallel to that line through A, you draw a line. Let us say it intersects at P. That AP distance you want. So direct formula. So for line L, DRs are given. DRs are what? 3, 4, 0. So DCs you want. DCs are what? Plus or minus. You take either plus or minus anything. 3 by 5, anything you can take. 4 by 5, comma 0. This is L, this is M, this is N. DCs of the line you calculate. Don't use these DRs. DCs. Now for the plane A equal to what? For the plane A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 1. Now use the formula. So distance, required distance is nothing but modulus. This value you will get in this plane is there minus 4 equal to 0. This point you substitute here in this modulus of 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 plus 2, just like in perpendicular distance. 1 plus 0 plus 2 minus 4 divided by A into L. So 1 into 3 by 5 plus 2 into 4 by 5 plus 0. 1 into 0. So what is your required distance? So 3 minus 4 modulus minus 1 divided by. So what you will get? This 8 plus 3, 11 by 5. So required distance is 5 by 11. Directly you can make use of this rule. Perpendicular distance means direct formula. Measured parallel to the line means use this formula. Stay till end of the class. Don't miss the classes unnecessarily. Morning only in the first class. Why you are leaving and coming to the class? Morning first class this is. You must be active. When the morning you are active, the complete day you will be active. In the morning, I am so fresh and I am also very active in the morning. As the time goes on, it will become stress. Okay. In the morning, you must be very active. Okay. Next. Suppose question is asked like this. Find distance. Find distance of line. Find distance of line x by 1 equals to y by 2 equals to z by 3. Z by 3. We have to find distance of the line from the point let us say a point is given 1 1 1. Let us say this is L given. Let us say this is L given. From the point, distance of the line from the point measured parallel to plane. Measured parallel to plane x plus y plus z equal to 3. Look at here. Now this is not the formula. That is measured. Here the problem is there is a plane. There is a plane like this. There is a plane like this. Right? There is a line like this. And there is some line. There is some line. Let us say L is this. L is this. You have to find there is point A. There is point A. Wait, this is 4 you take. This is 4. 4. Right? X plus y plus z equal to 4. So that means A will lie outside. A will lie outside. 1, 1, 1. Right? What he is telling is, you have to find the distance of this point to this line. Previously plane. How it is measured? Parallel to the plane. That means parallel to the planes, you have to measure the direction. Let us say normal is this. Let us say normal to the plane is this. The distance is measured parallel to the plane. That means passing through point, you draw a line which is perpendicular to normal. Perpendicular to normal. In this direction, you have to find the distance. In this passing through A, you draw a line. Passing through A, you draw a line parallel to plane. That means this is the one. Right? So let us say it intersects at P. AP distance you have to find out. AP distance. So this is not perpendicular distance from A to the line he is asking. He is asking the distance measured from A to the line which is measured parallel to the plane. That means in the parallel to plane means perpendicular to normal. This distance you have to calculate. This distance you have to calculate. Now L line is given to you. L line is given to you. P I have to find out. Take this R. So P point is what? R comma 2R comma 3R. P point is nothing but R comma 2R comma 3R. If you find this point, then you can calculate what is AP distance. Now it is clear that AP perpendicular to N. AP perpendicular to N. DRs of A perpendicular to normal. DRs of AP. DRs of AP are what? R minus 1, 2R minus 1, 3R minus 1. DRs of AP line. DRs of normal, you know. DRs of normal are what? Normal to the plane means 1, 1, 1. So 1, 1, 1. AP perpendicular to N, perpendicularity condition. R minus 1 plus 2R minus 1 into 1 plus 3R minus 1 into 1 equal to 0. So therefore you will get 6R equal to 3. So therefore R is nothing but 1 by 2. R is nothing but what? 1 by 2. Therefore P point is what? P point is nothing but 1 by 2 comma 2 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Required distance is what? AP root of 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 whole square 0, 3 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4. So root of 1 by 2, distance is what? 1 by root. That is required distance. Just like that, from point to the line, nothing is told means perpendicular distance, but he has told this distance is measured in a direction parallel to the plane. That means perpendicular to normal. So P point you have to calculate. P point I have taken on the line. DRs of AP calculated. That is perpendicular to normal. Use that condition. Look at next point. Next problem. A is a point. A is a point on the plane. A is a point on the plane and B is a B point is there minus 1 0 2 is outside plane outside plane outside plane. Find equation of plane. Find the equation of plane which is at maximum distance from A from B. Look at what maximum distance means. Here nothing is told means maximum perpendicular distance and nothing told means maximum perpendicular distance. Look at here. So there is a point. You want a plane on which A lies. Look at here. On which A lies. He is telling that B is an outside point. B is an, look at, not horizontally, I will draw like this. Suppose fixed points, na A is like this, let us say, not vertical line you draw, A is like this. Okay, A is given 1, 2, 3. In fixed points, these are. Let us say B is like this. Let us say B is like this, outside point. Let us say Let us say plane is like this. Let us say plane is like this. Right? These are fixed points. These are fixed points. Let us say plane is like this. Plane is like this. Right? I have drawn a plane. I have drawn a plane for which BA is normal. Like that also one plane will be there. That means foot of perpendicular of B is nothing but A. Like that also one plane is possible. In that case, perpendicular distance is nothing but BA only. Perpendicular distance is nothing but BA only. I have drawn a plane like this. Number of planes are possible. What he is telling, this perpendicular distance to the plane must be maximum. I have drawn a plane, plane 1, let us say. Like that one plane will exist. Another plane I am drawing, look at another plane I am drawing. So the same AB is there, the same AB is there like this fixed positions now. AB, the same AB is there, but that is not normal. That type of plane I am drawing, but that is not normal. That type of plane I am drawing. Let us say this is plane 2. Like this also plane is possible, but this is not normal. From B, this is not foot of perpendicular. Right? Now look at this plane has perpendicular distance AB length. Now here to this plane, such type of planes where AB is not normal, what is perpendicular distance? Drop a perpendicular from B upon plane. Let us say this is L. Let us say this is L. Let us say this is L. Now this is normal. Now this is normal here. Now this is normal. For such type of plane, what is the perpendicular distance? This is perpendicular distance. Now look at this is normal. Now if you join L to A, this is a line in the plane. This will be what? 90 degree. That will be 90 degree. Now look at BL is maximum. This perpendicular distance is maximum, or AB is maximum. This is hypotenuse. So this is maximum. So this is maximum than BL. That means BL distance is what? This is perpendicular distance to this plane, and here AB is perpendicular distance to the plane. So which one is maximum perpendicular distance? AB is the maximum perpendicular distance, right? So such type of plane he is wanting is this which has the normal AB and foot of perpendicular of B is nothing but A. That means this plane you can write easily. It is passing through 1, 2, 3. DRs of normal are what? DRs of normal are nothing but 1 minus of minus 1, 2, 2 minus 0, 2, 3 minus 2, 1. Therefore, DRs are what? 2, 2, 1 and point is there. You can write equation of the plane. 2 into x minus 1 plus 2 into y minus 2 plus 1 into z minus 3 equal to 0. That means what you will get? 2x plus 2y plus z. So minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 3, minus 9. This. So this is the plane which is at a maximum perpendicular distance from that point. That plane you require. Just simple. Maximum distance means you take normal as BA. B lies outside, A lies on the plane. So with this normal you have to write the plane. Passing through this point and having DRs of the normal AB. So that is the one. Next look at. Next. The angle between two planes angle between two planes. Let us say planes are like this. Two planes are like this, and A2x plus B2y plus C2z plus D2 equals 0. If any two planes are there, two planes are two faces, whatever it may be. For a tetrahedron, faces will be there. Those are two planes. Two planes means two faces. Whose equations are this? Equal. The angle between two planes is nothing but the angle between their normal lines. That is angle between lines means what are their directions? Normal vectors. N1 bar comma N2 bar. N1 bar comma N2 bar. Look at very important concept. There are two planes. I am drawing two planes. Look at. Whatever may be the shapes, this is one plane, this is one plane, this is one plane, and then there is another plane. I am drawing like this. I am drawing like this, two planes. Two planes are there like this. Look at, just whenever two planes are there, you imagine your book. In your book, left paper and right paper both will be there. Those are two planes. Those are two planes, right? So these are two planes. The angle between these two planes means they will be inclined. They will be inclined, right? They will be inclined. How much inclination they have is what we will do is angle between two planes is nothing but so you take normal line. You take normal line of this page. This is one plane. This is one plane. You take normal line. I am drawing normal line perpendicular to it. I am representing like this. So this is one normal line. This is one normal line. And this is one normal line. Normal line to page 1. Normal line to page 2. I am drawing this normal line. Let us say normal line is like this. Right? And this is for N1, this is N2. This is N2. Right? Angle between these two planes, how much they are inclined is angle between these two normals. These two are lines only, normal lines. N1 is normal line to plane 1. N2 is normal line to plane 2. This is nothing but angle between two lines. Look at, I will show you. Take your book. Look at here, all of you listen. Look at, this is Chaitanya material. Okay now. So this page is there. This page is one plane. This page is one plane. Look at here. Look at here. This cover is one plane. This cover is one plane. This cover is one plane. Right? So look at this page and this page. How much they are inclined? How much they are inclined? If you keep on moving, inclination changes. How much they are inclined means. How much they are inclined means you take two pens like this. చూడండి ఇది నార్మల్. నేను చెప్పాను కదా నార్మల్ అంటే పెన్ పెట్టండి నార్మల్. ఓకేనా? దిస్ ఈజ్ నార్మల్ టు ద ప్లేన్. ఇంక్లైన్డ్ ఉంది కదా, ఇట్లా ఇట్లా ఇంక్లైన్డ్ పెట్టుకోండి. అంటే ఈ పెన్ ఈ బుక్ కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్. కొంచెం ఈ బుక్ కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్, ఈ పెన్ ఈ బుక్ కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్. ఈ 2 ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఈ 2 మనకి ఈ లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఈ లైన్స్ సో దిస్ ఈజ్ నార్మల్. ఇక్కడ ఒక పెన్ అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకుని నార్మల్, ఇక్కడ ఒక పెన్ అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకుని నార్మల్, ఇలా ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఈ రెండు లైన్స్ నేను అక్కడ చూపించాను చూడండి, ఈ రెండు లైన్స్ నేను అక్కడ చూపించాను. ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య యాంగిలే యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ ప్లేన్స్ అంటారు. చూడండి, ఇది కనుక నేను కొంచెం ముందుకి ఇలా తీసుకొస్తున్నాను అనుకో, అంటే ఇంక్లినేషన్ మార్చా, ఈ లైన్స్ కూడా మధ్యలో యాంగిల్ మారుతూ ఉంటుంది. బుక్ కొంచెం వెనక్కి అన్నా అనుకో, ఇట్లా బుక్ చూడండి ఇలా వెనక్కు ఉంది. సో వీటి ఇంక్లినేషన్ మారిద్ది. కొంచెం ముందుకు రండి, కొంచెం ముందుకు వస్తే వీటి ఇంక్లినేషన్ మారిద్ది, అంటే ఇంక్లినేషన్ బిట్వీన్ నార్మల్స్ మారుతూ ఉంటాయి. సో లుక్ ఇట్, the main thing is always whenever planes are at an angle, you assume one plane, one pen normal and another pen normal. Okay, so angle between these two lines is nothing but angle between planes. Look at lines means there will be again angles will be there. If this is theta, this is theta, right? So theta, that means other angle will be there. This angle is nothing but, if this is pi theta, pi minus theta, right? So now angle between these two lines is what? There will be direction vector for the normal. There will be direction vector for the normal, n1 bar. There will be direction vector for the normal, n2 bar. That means these DRs are what? DRs are nothing but for this line A1, B1, C1. So for this line, DRs are what? For the second line, for the second normal, A2, B2, C2. This line has DRs what? A1, B1, C1. This line has DRs what? A2, B2, C2. Therefore, number 1, acute angle between two planes. Acute angle between two planes. Formula is same for two lines. What is the formula? Modulus A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by same regular formula. A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. This is the formula. Just nothing is there. Lines are there. Angle between lines is nothing but angle between planes. You always planes, between planes angle means normal vector will be there. Normal DRs are what? A1, B1, C1. For N1 DRs are A1, B1, C1. For N2 line DRs are what? A2, B2, C2. This is L1, this is L2. Angle between the lines. So now, if this theta is acute, pi minus theta is what? Obtuse. Obtuse angle is nothing but pi minus theta. Whenever two equations are given, DRs of normals will be knowing. Cos theta is nothing but this formula. Number 2. If planes are perpendicular, planes are perpendicular means what? Angle between normals perpendicular. That means these two will be at 90 degree. These two will be at 90 degree. If you keep two pens, they will be perpendicular to each other. They will be perpendicular to each other. Normals perpendicular means what? Angle between these two lines is 90. Therefore, what is the condition? If the planes are perpendicular, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. Normals are perpendicular. That means, next, if planes are parallel, means what? Normals parallel. Two lines parallel means what? This line has DRs A1, B1, C1. This line has DRs A2, B2, C2. So those lines are parallel means what is the condition? Parallel condition. C1 by C2. Normal lines parallel. That means here what happens is this normal vector will be perpendicular. Here what happens is this normal vector and this normal vector will be collinear vectors. Like that, if two planes are given, angle calculation, if the planes are perpendicular, condition, if the planes are parallel, condition. Whenever angle between planes are there, you always remember in mind that they are nothing but angle between their normals, normal vectors. Look at, suppose a cube is there, you will easily understand. Look at, planes are there like this, right? Let us take a cube or rectangular parallelepiped, whatever it may be. Cube you take, cube you take, cube you take this. Now look at here, look at this plane and this plane, you see they are perpendicular. They are perpendicular. That means, so here you keep one plane to this plane and here you keep one plane. This is normal vector of this plane. Now this is normal vector of this plane. This normal and this normal will be perpendicular. Parallel planes, you see parallel planes is this upper face is one, this upper face is one, this lower face is one. These two faces are there. These two faces are parallel planes. Normal vector for this, look at parallel planes. Normal line is like this for this. For this normal line is like this. So these two normal lines will be parallel to each other. That's why they are parallel planes. Like that, perpendicular planes, parallel planes. Look at. Take one simple problem. Find angle between planes. Find angle between planes. 2x plus y plus z equal to 4 and x plus y minus z plus 3 equal to 0. This, so that means normal vector for this a1, b1, c1, 2, 1, 1, a2, b2, c2. Normal vector of this, so therefore cos theta is nothing but modulus 2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by root of 6, 4 plus 1 plus 1 into root 3. That means 2 divided by root of 18. This is the angle between two planes. So for the first plane, normal vector is nothing but n1 bar is what? 2i plus j plus k. Along the normal, this vector will be there. N2 bar is what? I plus j minus k. Between these two vectors, this angle will be there. Right? So next, if the planes are perpendicular, if the planes given like this, 2x plus y plus kz equal to 4 and x plus 2y equal to 0 are perpendicular, find k. Suppose two planes are perpendicular. That means what is the condition? Normals are perpendicular. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. That means 2 plus, so 2 plus 2 minus 3k equal to 0. K is nothing but 4 by 3. Like that, if the planes are perpendicular, perpendicularity condition you apply. Whenever two planes are perpendicular, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. Next, look at. Find DRs of normal. Find DRs of normal to plane passing through there is a plane passing through 1 0 0 0 1 0 and plane makes, listen carefully, angle, and plane makes angle pi by 4 with plane, pi by 4 with plane, x plus y equal to 3. One plane is given. Look at, you have to find the plane. Our plane, required plane, this is the one. Required plane, let us say this is the one. Right? Required plane, let us say this is the one. It is passing through 2 points. It is passing through, this is 1 point and this is 1 point. This is 1 point. It is passing through 2 points. And there is some other plane. I am drawing, look at some other plane like this. So our required plane is P1, let us say, and another plane is there, P2. So for finding this plane, I want normal vector. Because point is known. For this normal, let drs of n be ABC. That you want. Equal to ABC. By using different conditions, you have to find ABC. Then you can write what is the equation of this. On what condition he has given? This plane, angle between this plane and this plane is what? Pi by 4. That means, let us say this is N1, drs of N1. Now angle between them is what? Angle between these normals. I have drawn normal to this. Let us say N2. Let us say N2. Now, drs of normal to this plane is what? ABC. Drs of this is what? Drs of normal is given. So, drs are what? 1, 1, 0. Drs of normal to plane 1 is ABC. Drs of N2 is nothing but given. This is 1, 1, 1, 0. So, given that cos theta, angle between this plane and this plane is pi by 4. Therefore, cos theta formula is what? Modulus angle between two planes formula. C2 square. So this is pi by 4, 1 by root 2 equals to 1 by root 2 equals to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C. This plane is not given. You take ABC. That means A plus B divided by root of A square plus B square plus C square into root 2. Let us say this is equation 1. One equation you got, first equation. Now another equation, look at. AB you join in plane 1. AB you join in plane 1. This normal is like this. This normal is like this. This is in the plane. N perpendicular to AB. N line will be perpendicular to AB. N drs are what? ABC. Perpendicularity condition you apply. AB drs are what? AB drs are nothing but 0 minus 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus 0, 0. N perpendicular to AB means these two are perpendicular. So minus A plus B equal to 0. So AB. So A equal to B. A equal to B means here if you substitute A equal to B, Bring this side. So A equal to B, if you substitute here, root of 2A square plus C square equal to A equal to B means this is nothing but 2A. Squaring on both sides. 2A square plus C square equals to 4A square. That implies C square equals to 2A square. C is nothing but plus or minus root 2A. Plus or minus root 2A. What you have to find is A is to B is to C. First case. C equal to root 2A. And A equal to B. So therefore find A is to B is to C. That means A is to B is A, C is root 2A. That means what is that? 1 is to root 2. So DRs are 1 1 root 2, that is one possibility. Number 2, C equal to minus root 2A. What is A is to B is to C? So then you will get A is to minus root 2A. 1 is to minus root 2. So therefore DRs of N1 are either this 1 1 root 2 or plane can be like this also, 1 1 minus root 2. DRs of normal. Just whenever planes are inclined, you take the required plane DRs ABC and apply angle formula. DRs of this plane normal, you know, cos theta, you will get a relation. Now in this plane AB lies, N1 perpendicular to AB, another condition. What you have to find? A is to B is to C. Those are nothing but DRs. Like that, how to apply angle between two planes? Evening 5 to 6 also there will be class. Look at next problem. A plane is passing through minus 1 comma 2 comma 3 and perpendicular to two planes and perpendicular to two planes, 2x minus y plus z minus 4 equal to 0 and x minus y plus z plus 3 equal to 0. Find distance of origin to the plane. Look at simple. Look at simply how it can be done is two methods are there. Look at two methods are there. Our required plane, you have to find this one. Our required plane is passing through minus 1, 2, 3. Right? So this is our required plane P1, let us say P1. Now let us say this is P2 plane, this is P3 plane. Now what you require for plane 1? Normal DRs. So this normal DRs, let us say ABC. Let us say N1. A, B, C. A, B, C. Now, this is plane 1, this is plane 2. Plane 1 perpendicular to plane 2. Plane 1 has normal DRs A, B, C. Plane 2 is this one. So 2 minus 1, 1. What is the formula? A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. So these two planes are perpendicular. That means 2A, 2A, just like this 2 minus 1, 1. For this plane, A, B, C will be there. So 2A minus B plus C equal to 0. So first condition. So next P1 perpendicular to P3. P1 perpendicular to P3. That means what is the condition? So 1 minus 1, 1. Just like that A, B, C for this. So therefore A minus B plus C equal to 0. Two conditions on ABC. Solve this. A divided by minus 1 plus 1, 0. B divided by this side 1 minus 2 minus 1. So C divided by minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1. So that means these are nothing but DRs of plane. So therefore A is to B is to C is nothing but 0 is to minus 1 is to minus 1. Therefore DRs of normal are nothing but 0 minus 1 minus 1, and it is passing through the point minus 1, 2, 3. Therefore, what is the equation of the plane? A into x minus x1, A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into, this is the one. So therefore, what you will get? Minus y plus 2 minus z plus 3 equal to 0. That implies equation of the plane is nothing but y plus z minus 5 equal to 0. Y plus z minus 5 equal to 0. Look at, plane is passing through the point DRs, let us say ABC. This plane is perpendicular to this perpendicularity condition. This plane is perpendicular to this perpendicularity condition. Solve ABC and find A is to B is to C, and then write equation of the plane. He is asking perpendicular distance of the plane from origin. That means 0 plus 0 minus 5 divided by root of 0 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. That means what is the perpendicular distance? 5 divided by root 2. 5 divided by root 2. Look at, for finding DRs, another method is there. I will tell. Last 2 minutes. For finding DRs, we have calculated by applying perpendicularity conditions. Without doing that, there is another method. Look at. Plane 1 is there. Look at. Plane 1. Plane 1. This is passing through A. This is passing through A. Minus 1, comma 2, comma 3. This is plane 1. So let us say this is normal 1. This is normal 1. We have to find a vector along that vector method. Now look at, there is another plane P2 I am drawing. Look at. There is another plane P2. There is another plane P2 like this. So plane 1, plane 2 are perpendicular. That means I am drawing normal to this N2. So this is N2. This is perpendicular. This is perpendicular, and another plane like this is there, plane 3. Normal I am drawing N3. N3. Now look at, along this normal, what is the vector is there, you write. What is the vector is there? So plane 2 is given as plane 2. is given as 2x minus y. Plane 2 is given. Now you know drs of the normal. What is the vector? Normal vector 2i minus j plus k. Just drs you know na. 2i minus j plus k. This vector will be along the normal. This vector will be perpendicular to n1. This vector b bar is there. This vector b bar is there. For plane 3, this is plane 3. Over 2 minutes. Plane 3. X minus y plus z plus 3 equal to 0. That means normal drs you know 1 minus 1 1 b bar. Normal vector is what? I minus j plus k. So now n1 is perpendicular to this normal as well as this normal. That means n1 perpendicular to n2 comma n3. That means n1 perpendicular to a bar b bar. A bar b bar. That means normal 1 is perpendicular to two vectors. Therefore drs of normal. drs of n1 is nothing but a bar cross b bar. Instead of writing those two conditions, you can write a bar cross b bar. ijk 2 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 1. That means I into, look at the same thing, you will get minus 1 plus 1 0 minus j into, so minus j into 2 minus 1 1 plus k into, so k into minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. That means you are getting minus j minus k. So that means drs of the same we have calculated previously. A, B, C are what? 0, minus 1, minus 1. 0, minus 1, minus 1. The same thing you got. But what we have done, perpendicularity condition, one equation, perpendicularity, one equation. Both you have solved for A, B, C. And then A is to B is to C. Normal vector to the plane will be calculated like this also. Trace two vectors which are perpendicular to normal one. This is one vector, this is one vector, then write cross product. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a nice day. 5 to 6 class will be there, extra class. Thank you all of you.